Welcome to World News. A helicopter carrying Iran's president crashed. We're covering a helicopter crash involving Iran's president and Russia's push toward Kharkiv. Plus, the rise of neo-populism in the US. A helicopter carrying President Ebrahim Raisi of Iran crashed in a remote part of the country yesterday, according to state media. The helicopter, which was also carrying the foreign minister, Hossein Amir Abdollahian, has not yet been found. It was not immediately known what caused the crash. State news reported that an enormous operation involving at least 20 search and rescue teams was underway, but that inclement weather was hampering the effort. A delegation of ministers traveled with him in a convoy of 3 helicopters, state media reported, adding that the other 2 had reached their destinations. The crash came at a delicate moment for international relations, just days after senior US and Iranian officials held talks through intermediaries to try to tamp down the threat of a wider conflict in the Middle East. Raisi, he is the second most powerful individual in Iran's political structure after the supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Many analysts believed he was being groomed to become the next supreme leader. Next steps: Iran's law stipulates that if the president dies, power is transferred to the first vice president and that an election must be called within 6 months. The first vice president is Mohammad Mokber, a conservative politician. Russia moves closer to Kharkiv. Russian forces have moved closer to the outskirts of Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city, which could soon be within artillery range, potentially allowing Moscow to strike residential neighborhoods and target power stations there. Experts say that Russia could also be trying to create a buffer zone to prevent the Ukrainians